Welcome to our video on the 7 best glass blowing schools in the USA. Glass blowing is a beautiful and challenging art form that requires skill and patience to master. Whether you're an amateur or a professional, there are plenty of schools across the country that can help you hone your craft. Number 7 on our list is the Eugene Glass School in Eugene, Oregon. Level up with world-class instructors. Classes include hot glass, fusing and flame working. The school has a state-of-the-art glass blowing studio where students can work with experienced instructors and create their own unique pieces. Coming in at number 6 is the Pittsburgh Glass Center in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This school offers classes in hot glass, cold working, and kiln forming. They also have a hot shop, flame shop, and cold shop for students to work in. The center is also home to a gallery showcasing the work of contemporary artists. Number 5 on our list is the Penland School of Crafts in Penland, North Carolina. This school is known for its beautiful mountain setting and its focus on traditional crafts. They offer classes in glass blowing, kiln forming, and cold working. The school also has a resident artist program where students can work alongside accomplished artists. Coming in at number 4 is the Pittsburgh Glass School in Stanwood, Washington. This school is located on a beautiful wooded campus and offers classes in hot glass, kiln glass, and cold working. They also have a glass blowing studio and a hot shop where students can work on their own projects. Number 3 on our list is the Haystack Mountain School of Crafts in Deer, Maine. This school is located on a beautiful coastal campus and offers classes in glass blowing, kiln forming, and cold working. They also have a hot shop, flame shop, and cold shop for students to work in. At number 2 is the studio of the Corning Museum of Glass in Corning, New York. This school offers classes and workshops in glass blowing, kiln forming, and cold working. They also have a hot shop and a cold shop for students to work in. The school is known for its focus on traditional glass blowing techniques. And finally, coming in at number 1 is the Pittsburgh Glass School in Seattle, Washington. This school is considered one of the top glass blowing schools in the world and offers classes in hot glass, kiln glass, and cold working. They also have a glass blowing studio and a hot shop where students can work on their own projects. These are the 7 best glass blowing schools in the USA. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these schools can help you take your glass blowing skills to the next level. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.